In this video, I'll show you how to set up bank rules in Xero. First, sign in to your Xero account and go to Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. Open the bank account where you want to create your bank rules. Next, click Bank Rules and select Create Bank Rule. Choose whether the rule will apply to money spent or money received. After that, set the conditions that will trigger the rule, such as the contact name, description, reference, or transaction amount. Then, choose how Xero should automatically code matching transactions by selecting the appropriate account, tax rate, and tracking categories if needed. Now, give the bank rule a descriptive name and review all of the conditions and coding details. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the rule. Finally, continue creating additional bank rules for other recurring transactions. When new bank transactions are imported, Xero will automatically suggest the appropriate rule during bank reconciliation, helping you save time and improve accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up bank rules in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.